Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to access Duolingo shop. So let's have a look now. Open the Duolingo app on your mobile device. Look for an icon or section labeled Shop within the app's interface. This section might be within the main menu or accessible from your profile settings. If you can't find the shop options, then click here. Okay, there you go. Once in the Duolingo shop, you can browse through various in-app items available for purchasing using lingots. Explore shop, view and purchase items you want. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.